everyone, welcome back. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. You guys, I am so happy to be bringing you another video about eyelid tape today. I am so excited because I know that there's not a lot of videos about eyelid tape here on YouTube. Maybe there's a lot, but we'll just pretend this is like the first eyelid tape video you've seen. I've done videos about it, showing you guys how to use it on top of your eyeshadow. I will link all that in the description below, so you guys check that out because they are very informative videos if you are interested about eyelid tape. Eyelid tape is very popular in the Asian community. People that have monolids, people like me that have hooded lids, and I also have uneven eyelids. And if you're aging, you know, it happens to everybody, and your lids are kind of drooping a little bit, then this is something that will benefit you. On my other videos, I've used eyelid tape from Amazon. I purchased them myself with my own money, but the one that I'm going to be using today, it was sent to me. Beauty Logic is the name of the company. They DM'd me on Instagram and asked me if I wanted to try their products. They didn't ask me to make a video, they didn't ask me to make a post or anything like that. They just wanted me to try their eyelid tape, and I am more than happy to. And you know, hopefully they are amazing. If you want to see the power of eyelid tape and you want to change the way you will do your eyeshadows, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna give you a little bit of information about the different types of eyelid tape that I have right here in front of me. So this one is Aqualace Eyelid Lifting Strip, and you will get your eyelid tape in this little pouch right here. They are very neatly packaged, and at the back you have direction and how you should use them. Let's go ahead and look at the Aqualace first. So the one that I opened is large. So when you receive your product, it will come in this little pouch right here. How cute is that? So you don't misplace any of your eyelid tape. So the Aqualace, you guys, you don't need a glue. You can just spray it. They do send a little tiny spray that you can use to spray your product, and it should just adhere to your lid. So I think that is pretty neat. So this is what I'm going to use today because I think it's really interesting to see if it will really just, you know, you spray it and it would just adhere to your lid. So you guys, when you receive your packaging, it has 120 strips inside. It has a spray bottle, eyelid applicator, and plastic tweezer. It says that these ones right here are self-adhesive, 100% natural. This can last 10 to 12 hours. It says that it is thin and lightweight, that you can apply makeup on top of it. I like doing my makeup first and applying my eyelid tape. So the large one, it says that it's best suited the large oval shape with slight defined hooded eyelids and monolid, also a droopy lid. And then the small one, it fits round eyes with slightly drooping eyelid and monolid. So like I said, you know, if you're confused about what I'm talking about, just go on their site, and I'm sure that, you know, there's an explanation in their pictures. I'm better with pictures. So let's go ahead and open this so you can see the eyelid tape. So there are 120 strips in this little thing right here, and the pricing, I cannot remember, but it's gonna be on the screen somewhere. I believe it's $14. I think it's $14. If I'm mistaken, it's gonna be on the screen somewhere. So this is what the eyelid tape look like. They are individual in there that you have to peel, and then you use your tweezer to hold it, and then you spray it with the water, and then it is ready to go on your eyelids. So this one is the small one. I think this is the one that's gonna fit my eyes better. So this one is shaped different than the other one. You guys see the big difference? So this is large right here, and this is the small one, and you get the same amount. You get 120 on each of the packaging. To be honest to you guys, I didn't know that there are different like sizes of eyelid tape. I just, you know, bought whatever I saw on Amazon, and that's what I've been using, and it's been working for me really well. I'm gonna go ahead and open this right here. Like I said, you guys, I haven't used an eyelid tape in a minute, so forgive me if I struggle but we will get it done, you know. I just want to show you how you're supposed to use, not how you're supposed to use it, but how I use it. I want to talk about my lid just a little bit so you guys can understand my problems and why I use eyelid tape. So looking at you guys, you can tell that, let me see, I need to look in the mirror too. Okay, so you guys, you're staring at me, I'm staring at you, we're looking at each other's soul. You guys can see that this side right here droops lower than this one. As you guys can see, my fold right here is a little higher, so I have a lot of play area to do my wing liner and things like that. I don't have to worry about my lid drooping and messing up my liner. On this side right here, it is way low. My lid is folded a little lower than this one. There are times that my lids right here, the one that folds, it's touching my lash line already. For me, because my eyelids are uneven, I have to apply my tape right here, and this right here is going to be pushed back like that. It's going to be even with this side. As you guys can see, my lid folds, so I always have to reapply my makeup right here, and yeah, it's very annoying. So you guys, we're just going to be using the eyelid tape on this side so we can even the fold on this side. So let's go ahead and try that. So you have a little film right here that protects your eyelid tape. So I just need one. Oh, see you guys, that is the attention to detail with this packaging is pretty neat. So I am just gonna take one. Like I said, they are individuals, so I'm gonna take one out. Right there, we got one. So we're gonna wet, spray that side, spray this side. So you guys, my goal is for my eyelid to be even, so you just have to play with your eyelid and figure out where you want to apply your eyelid tape. So now that our tape is wet, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it above the fold, you guys. Don't try to apply it down here, you have to apply it above your fold. So that's what I'm gonna do. Ooh, that went on there pretty easy. And I'm going to take this applicator right here to push the product in. Oh my god. Wow, okay. Did you guys see that? That was pretty amazing. That was so easy, you guys. I think that is my favorite one. What? That's the first time I tried it, you guys. This is no take. This is the first time I applied it. You guys saw me, that's my first strip. What? And it is so invisible on the lid, you guys. I have a little bit of bronzer on the eyes, and you can see the product, and my lids are freaking even, you guys. The other ones, you guys, I would usually struggle because I have to apply the glue first and then apply this and then apply the strip, and sometimes it's hard because there's too much glue, not enough glue. With this one, you wet it and you're what thank you, Beauty Logic. What? Wow. So that's how you use that one. It's probably not the best description, not the best instruction, but hopefully my application speaks better than how I explain things. But that's gonna be the one I'm gonna be using a lot, so I'm gonna be giving away the other ones because I have to get this one for myself. Wow. Okay, moving on. So that product is amazing, you guys. You need that in your life. Moving on to the other eyelid tape. This is the packaging for the other one. So this one is fiber lace eyelid tapes. I think this is the ones that I've been using, so I'm very familiar with this type of eyelid, the eyelid tape. You also get your products in a little pouch. You will get your applicator and also a tweezer right here, and also, you guys, you will get and then you will also get a glue with your product. So this is, I believe, $14, you guys. If not, correction will be on, you know, on the video somewhere, but this is what comes with this type of eyelid tape, because this one you will need a glue to adhere the product to your lid. It says that this is a no latex eyelid adhesive and it is waterproof. Okay, that's pretty neat. It says that it is free shipping on all US orders. Let's see, and I have this one right here. There's no size in this one, so this is probably the universal one, and then I have a small, medium, and large. This type right here has 4 different sizes to choose from, but the other one, they only sent me 2 sizes, so I don't know if that's the only size they have or that's the one that they have in hand. Packaging is really cute. Let's go ahead and look at what the strips looks like on this one. So this is what your products looks like. You have 120 in here. So this is what this eyelid tape looks like. It's a bit smaller than the one that I used and the one that I showed you. These are fiber laces. So it's the same thing as the other one. There are individuals in here that you have to peel off, and then with this one, you guys, I don't think I'm gonna get to use this one, but I'll just show you guys on my hand, I guess. So how I would use this is, you can obviously put the glue on the product itself before you put it on your eyelid, but how I like to do it, and you guys can check out the other videos that I did on this, they provide the glue for you, so you don't have to worry about what type of glue you should use. I use the duo glue for mine, so those ones works really well for me. I would put the glue on my lid, you know, where you want to put it. I would put the glue like that. I don't know why I'm showing you guys this. I'm sure you guys know how to apply glue, but I would put it on my lid, and then I would wait for it to dry a little bit to get a little tacky. Same thing if you're applying your lashes. So it's the same thing, you know, they are individuals in here. So I'm gonna try to get one out. Yeah, this one is very thin, so you guys need to be careful when you're pulling it out so you don't mess up your eyelid tape. So this is the type of eyelid tape that I am used to. Now that our glue is a bit dry, it's probably too dry, I would just you know, I'll just put my tape like that, and you guys would use this to kind of push the product and to your lid like this, so they would adhere. It is blending into my skin, so when you apply your makeup, it's definitely, I mean, obviously you got something on your eyelid, but it's not going to be very visible where people can just stare at you and wonder what the hell you have on your eyelid. So let's go ahead and try to apply some little shadows on this thing. I have bronzer on my eye, so we're just gonna use our bronzer. This is from Gerard Cosmetics. You guys, I've been obsessed with this. This is what I have on my face right now. I'm just gonna take the dark bronzer and I'm just gonna bronze it up a little bit. So look at that. I mean, you can't really see it. It's right here. Let me point it out to you. It's right here. You can barely see it. So I will definitely use this one next time, because my lids are very even already, so I don't know how else I can show you guys this one, but it is invisible on the hand, and like I said, I've used this type of eyelid before and I know it works. So yeah, like I said, they sent me 4 sizes. So they sent me, I think this is the universal one, like I said. So we have large, medium, and small. So I have plenty to share, so you guys let me know if you want me to do a giveaway. If you're interested in using this, let me know why you need eyelid tape and how you would use it. You know, if you're gonna use it because you have monolids, if you have drooping eyelids, if you have uneven eyelids, hooded lids, let me know, and I will definitely do a little giveaway for you guys so you can see how amazing these products are. I'm really excited for this one, you guys. You come up to me or write me, message me, DM me, email me, and you ask me which eyelid tape I should purchase. You should definitely try the Aqualace because of the application is so freaking easy. There is nothing to it. You guys saw me do it for the first time, and that is so easy. And when you buy the packet, it comes with everything that you need. So I think you should definitely try that. If if you are being curious about eyelid tape, then that is the way to go. It's definitely beginner friendly. If you have any questions, concern, if you want to know more about eyelid tape, please just ask me, comment below, and I will definitely, if I don't know the answer, I will definitely find it out for you. I hope that you find this video very helpful. Let me know what you guys want to see here on my channel. I want to do videos that will definitely help you guys out. So just let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and please ring that bell so you guys don't miss out on great videos like this. So yeah, that is everything that I have for you guys today. Thank you, Beauty Logic, for sending me these products. I'm so glad that you reached out and you showed me such an amazing products. So thank you again. If you guys have any question, just please ask. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.